Hey folks, welcome to our new channel where we are going to review cars and bikes for automobile enthusiasts like you.
So guys, this is our very first video which we are gonna review about Yamaha MT-15. Yamaha always have something unique in their design, and this monstrous face looks very aggressive and eye-catchy. The DRLs are matte finished and the projectors are massive in terms of light effect. LED indicator would have looked much better rather than normal bulbs. The telescopic force suspension at front and linked monocross suspension at rear provide a comfortable ride quality even at bad condition roads. Fuel tank is provided with matte finished in between and glossy on either sides with a decent capacity of 10 liters. Engine of this bike has 155 cc of displacement which produces 18.5 horsepower and 13.9 Newton meters of torque surrounded with a sporty engine cap. Seats of this bike are very comfortable with aggressive riding position. Pillion seats are a bit small but they are comfortable as well. Tail lights are offered with the LED one which gives a nice touch to the bike. Normal bulb indicator are quite disappointing at this price point. Number plate attached to the mud flap is different and looks amazing. Sporty tire looks very good which happens to be 140 by 70, that is R17 inches. 170 mm of decent ground clearance push the driving experience to next level. Meanwhile, this negative LCD instrument cluster provides plenty of information such as gear shift indicator, a clock, speedometer, tachometer, VVA and fuel gauge. Air vents aren't functional but gives a bulky look to this bike. Now comes the ride quality of this bike. So this bike has the same single cylinder engine offered in the Yamaha R15 which is a very refined and effective machine. Also Yamaha provides a liquid cooled 4-stroke 4-valve engine in this MT-15. This 138 kilograms of motorcycle can rev up to 11,000 of RPM with a top speed of 150 kilometers per hour. Another disappointing fact about this bike is that it is offered with single channel ABS and not the dual channel ABS which the Yamaha R15 gets. Now comes the best thing about this bike, which is the VVA, variable valve actuation, which uses a mechanism to shift between cam profile for low RPM as well as for high RPM speeds, which definitely increases the ride quality of this bike and makes the most premium motorcycle in this segment. Moving on to the maintenance and customer service, Yamaha has wide range of dealership in India which provide best service at minimum possible cost. As a street sports bike, it offers you around 40 to 45 kilometers per liter of mileage, which is again a plus point in this bike. So let's talk about the price of the bike. As it is the most premium motorcycle in this segment, the cost of this bike is a bit on higher side, which happens to be 1.39 lakhs ex showroom and around 1.56 lakhs on road in Maharashtra. Thank you guys for watching our very first video. Hope you guys have enjoyed and it has helped you. It requires nothing for you guys to like, share and subscribe, but motivates us for creating such contents for you all. So if you guys agree with us, hit that like button. Also guys, let us know in the comment section that if you guys want our next video in Hindi or English. Till then, stay home, stay safe.